All right, if you got one of our ceramic coating packages, we've also ceramic coated the faces of your wheel at a minimum, if not the barrel. And again, we got the black towel, and a rinseless wash also works on wheels, but it's a different towel. It's very important. We don't even wash the towels together, just in case. So you see how that's pretty good beating up on that wheel. And I'm being super light because gloss black wheels do love to scratch. It's almost a fact of life. I'd be very surprised if somebody got through their entire life of a vehicle with no scratches on their gloss black wheels. I'm being so light here. And this is mainly if they're not dirty, or you just simply might not have access to water at a certain running water or hose. If you have access to a hose and stuff, you're definitely going to want to not use this. This is mainly just if the wheels are dusty, if they've been sitting around. That's when you're going to want to use this. But if they're super dirty or super covered with brake dust, you're almost always going to want to hit them with a wash of some sort, a nice soapy mitt